Now race number 2, good luck on your winner take all. Gates open, they're up and racing. Bahala na. Una Mujer, Superior Arc, Erica's Champisari outside, running by the Rel Queen's Quest. Then comes Sweet Julian, heading towards the half mile pole. Bahala na. Superior Arc right behind in second, Queen's Quest moving up to take third, Erica's Champ, Sweet Julian, while Una Mujer is running at the tail of the field, rounding at the last 600, the outstanding favorite, Bahala na. This time by about 3 lengths, Superior Arc remains in second, Queen's Quest racing in third by the rail as they race for home. Bahala na. This time by about 4 lengths, running in second, Superior Arc, Queen's Quest, then comes Erica's Champ, Sweet Julian, and down the stretch they come. Bahala na. This time by about 5 lengths, followed by Superior Art, Queen's Quest, Sweet Julian, and finally, Bahala na. Superior Art, Queen's Quest, Sweet Julian, Erica's Jump.